Repair or Replace by Air-Tro. The game that asks all of the tough HVAC questions
Here we go. 4.
so that you don't have to.
2, 3, 4. Okay, we have a question from the Smiths. They're asking, my air conditioner is not blowing cold air. Should I repair or replace it? Well, repair or replace, that is the question. Because when a system is about 15 to 20 years old and you have medium to upper costs, then of course you want to replace that system because it's not doing anything for you efficiency wise. You're spending on your electric bill and the system is probably not cooling as well, so you might want to think about upgrading at that time when your system is about that old. Now if you have a younger system, let's say 8 to 10 years old, and you have a few costs here and there that can get it up and running, then yeah, you definitely want to repair those systems. But we'd have to come out and take a look at it, and we can give you an estimate on repairs or replacement. But just remember, if your system is 15 to 20 years old and you have a costly repair, then for sure you want to replace.
Not sure if you need to repair or replace your system? Give us a call today.